Hey everybody, before we get into this video, I wanted to let you guys in on a little secret of how I'm able to come up with so many outfits so often, especially when it comes to capsule wardrobes. I think it's really important to be able to lay out and see everything in a really easy and concise way, so I end up taking photos and making mood boards of each outfit just so I don't repeat anything, and the way I do this is with my Wacom tablet. This is the Wacom Intuos. It is super beginner friendly and so easy to learn to use. The Wacom Intuos has a light, super accurate pen and bonus creative software. The Intuos is built for drawing, sketching, and photo editing. This is great for young creatives, those getting started in drawing, professionals, and gift-giving parents. It's Mac, PC, Chromebook, and select Android smartphone/tablet compatible. I love using it for making my thumbnails, these little mood boards, and also photo editing. I've basically ditched my mouse altogether to just use this tablet, and I'm loving it. If you guys want to shop the Wacom tablet, you can check out the links in the description box. You can get all the Wacom tablets at Best Buy. So thank you so much to Best Buy for sponsoring this video. Make sure to check out these tablets. They're honestly so nice. And let's get into the styling.